If you are the type of leader who wants to leave everybody that you meet feeling more energized, engaged, and motivated after every interaction you have with them, then today's episode of the Leaders Kitbag is for you. And if what I've just said resonates with you, then you are absolutely on the path towards becoming a great leader. Why do I say that? Because over 3 decades of research by Jim Kouzes and Barry Posner, as published in their brilliant book, The Leadership Challenge, tells us that one of the things that people consistently say they look for and want from a leader who they admire and will willingly follow is someone who is inspiring. And that is what this episode of the Leaders Kitbag is all about. Hey, I'm Ben Morton. I'm a leadership trainer, executive coach, and keynote speaker. And everything I do is designed to create a world where people can go to work feeling inspired to give their best, whilst going home to their loved ones at the end of each day, feeling both recognized for what they do and appreciated for who they are. Now, as I said, being an inspiring leader is about leaving everybody that you meet with more energy than when you met them. It's about being an energizer rather than a drain. It's about being a radiator as opposed to a mood hoover. And I'm sure you've met at least one mood hoover in your career. They are the people who somehow just manage to suck the will to live and energy out of every room. But being an inspiring leader, being an energizer, being a radiator isn't simply about charisma, nor is it just about being able to give grand Steve Jobs style presentations from the stage. It is about having a positive impact on those around you in every interaction, no matter how big or how small. But does this matter, you might ask? And are we not at risk here of simply creating a culture of toxic positivity? Well, yes, it does absolutely matter. Being an inspiring leader is about much more than simply making people feel good or creating a happy workplace. Yes, that is important, but the benefits, the impact when we focus on being inspiring are significant. Research shows us that inspiring leaders have an impact on the productivity within their teams, functions, or businesses. Engagement, employee engagement goes up and we get better staff retention. So it does absolutely matter. And with regards to toxic positivity, we need to be clear here. Being an inspiring leader, being an energizer, leaving people with energy is absolutely not about making everything positive. We can still acknowledge challenges and difficulties, but leave people energized. And we can do this simply by saying things like, guys, I appreciate this is a tough, difficult situation we are in. But do you know what? I 100% believe that we can and will find the solution to this challenge. That's how we can be inspiring in difficult times. That's it for this episode. As always, I hope it's been useful. Look after yourself. Look after those who've got the privilege and responsibility to lead. And until next time, lead on.